Hello there, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program that will ask the user the subject, the prelim grade, the midterm grade, and final grade. Our program will solve the average grade of that particular subject using Perl as our programming language. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are here in our text editor, so the first thing that we will do is to write the comment. So average grade.pl, this is the file name of our program. Click save first. Average underscore grade.pl, save as. So we have here Perl, save. Author Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Date October 30, 2019, 5:32 AM, Wednesday. Next we have here print, and then we have here the title /t average grade solver in Perl. Perl, not PHP. Print subject enter subject, jump, open parenthesis, subject, next enter prelim grade, prelim, next enter midterm grade, midterm, next in the final enter final grade, final. So we have here result equals open parenthesis, in the prelim, the LR prelim, we multiply only with 0.2, 20% plus, open parenthesis, dollar midterm multiply by 0.3 or 30% plus dollar final we multiply by 50%, semicolon, and then we will display the result. Print /t display grade. Print new line print subject dollar object print average grade dollar solve. And program. Okay, we have already done. So we have here to review, no? We have here the comment, the title of our program, average grade solver in Perl. The first thing that our program will do, will ask the subject, prelim grade, midterm, and then final. After which we have here the formula that is being stored in our variable dollar solve to compute the prelim, midterm, and final. So in prelim, 20%, midterm is 30%, and final is 50%. And then we have here display the grade. Now let's execute the program, check for syntax error, and run. Perl average underscore grade dot pl. Press the enter key. Okay, so there is a formatting issue here, so I have to adjust first, no? So backslash t backslash t backslash t backslash t, horizontal tab, skip sequence, similar in C language. Okay, screen. Let us execute again the program. Okay, let's say for example subject college algebra, prelim grade 81, midterm there's a slight improvement, final big improvement 92. Okay, subject average grade. Also in the average grade I forgot to put new line here. Okay, so let us fix, no? There's some problem here. So display, I would like to add here result equals, we want only the whole number. Printf 2.0 f percent comma dollar solve. Then we have here the average grade is result. Let us run again the program. Subject compute C Perl programming, average grade solver in Perl, enter subject Perl programming, prelim grade let's say 83, midterm 87, finals 94. So we have it, display grade the subject per display grade, subject, Perl programming, average grade is 90, end of program. Actually, we can add here for the formatting purposes. Okay, let's rerun again the program. And average grade solver in Perl, intersubject, social studies, prelim grade 78, midterm 83, finals 86. So display grade, subject grade, social studies, average grade is 84, end of the program. So we have it, guys. We have already test, debug, and run successfully our program, average grade solver in Perl. Before we end, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Bye bye for now.